What? Y'all know about to put me over straight out of that shit, bro. Y'all fuck with me, bro. I'm pissed, bro. I got shit to say, bro.
Stay there.
Yeah, fuck y'all.
Stay in here.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, can you hear me? Mr. Hearn, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry?
I said yes, I hear you, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I apologize. Harvey?
I'm just waiting for your attorney to jump in here. I think he was just speaking to you back there, so he's supposed to be jumping right on in here.
Right here. I'm tired of these white folks. Fuck them.
Sir, you are in open court. What you're saying is being heard by everybody. Can I just suggest that you just remain silent, sir?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, these get scheduled to next Wednesday.
No, August 7th. August 7th.
Okay.
All right, so we are on the record in the matter of the City of Wyandotte versus Santos Hearn, 241057, 241031. And counsel, your appearance, please.
Your Honor, John Goldpaw, P. 30758, on behalf of Mr. Hearn.
Thank you. And Mr. Hearn, your name for the record, please.
Santos Hearn.
All right, thank you very much. And counsel, as to the arraignment.
Your Honor, just for the record, I attempted to speak to Mr. Hearn. I attempted to provide him with information regarding the charges filed against him, as well as the purpose of this arraignment. I also attempted to tell him that I was appointed by the court for the purposes of this arraignment. He refused to speak to me whatsoever, only raising complaints about the way he has been treated. So for that extent, I have been unable to advise him of his rights.
All right, so Mr. Hearn?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to advise you of your rights, sir. Were you provided with a document, sir?
No. Respect everything.
Sir, I'm having a difficult time understanding. Sir, I'm having a difficult time understanding your mumbling. So I need you to please listen. Were you provided with an advice of rights document?
I wasn't even provided with nothing, information about what I'm being booked for, my fingerprints, but I wasn't provided with nothing but hands and feet.
Okay, then I'm going to provide you with your advice of rights verbally. You have been brought to court on misdemeanor charges. You have the following basic rights. You have the right to plead guilty or not guilty, or to stand mute. If you stand mute, a plea of not guilty will be entered. You may plead no contest with the permission of the court. You have the right to have a trial by jury. You have the right to have the assistance of an attorney. Mr. Goldpaw has been here to assist you in that matter and attempted to speak with you in the lockup. You also have the right to have an attorney appointed at public expense if you are indigent, which means without money to hire an attorney, and if the offense charge requires a minimum jail sentence or the court determines that it might sentence you to jail. The appointing authority will decide if you're indigent and appoint counsel on your rights, sir.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, all right. So, the court's order under plea of, I'm sorry, what was that?
I said, yes, I understand.
Okay.
I understand, yes.
Okay, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf in both of these matters. Schedule these matters for pretrial on August 7th.
9:45.
I'm sorry?
9:45.
At 9:45 a.m. And counsel, based upon what you previously stated, I'm going to presume you don't have much information to offer by way of a bond argument, so I'm going to just ask those questions of your client.
If I may, Your Honor, I do have some information.
Okay.
Which I gleaned from the reports that I had read. According to the record, the police reports and the files, he does not have any prior criminal record. He does have criminal offenses. He does have some there were, according to the report, some outstanding warrants, and these were the original reason for his detainment in file 241031.
Mr. Hearn, right now, Mr. Lopez speaking, and for the record here that's recording, we can't record multiple people speaking at once.
I apologize, Ram. I just can't even function at this. I'm just tired. I'm tired of motherfuckers fucking with me. When I'm peaceful,
You'll have an opportunity.
for to come and destroy my whole joy and laugh while they doing it. I'm sick of this shit. I don't even care if you give me 30 years in jail right now. I don't care. Because I'm gonna do something crazy if they keep fucking with me. And I'm letting you know that.
I need you to stop talking.
I'm tired.
I need you to stop talking right now. You will have an opportunity to talk in just a few moments.
Whatever you wanna do, I just don't even wanna be here. Right? If you, I know you're about to send me to jail. So.
I just said stop talking. Sir?
Yeah.
Sir?
Come on.
I just said stop talking. You'll have an opportunity in a few moments. Please.
I got nothing to say. I'm talking to myself. I'm just pissed.
You
Tired.
can't talk to yourself because you're interrupting my record.
Tired.
Stop. Stop
I'm
now.
tired.
I understand
I'm
you're tired.
tired.
And I'm tired of having to repeat myself. Stop talking.
You gonna send me to jail? You know what? Like you did last time. I don't have a record. I know this. So let's get to that point. You're not gonna give me no personal none of that.
Stop talking now.
To that part.
Please proceed.
He was released on the warrants, issued a ticket for the retail fraud. Subsequently, he was confronted, came in contact with members of the Wyandotte Police Department over a jaywalking incident, and one thing led to another with respect to the charges regarding the drugs. As he's just indicated, he has no prior criminal record. I would ask for a personal bond in these matters. Proceed from there.
These days, but
Okay, well, Mr. Hearn, it's my understanding that you refuse to be fingerprinted. And there were warrants out
this
for your
is
arrest.
true. Whatever they say is true.
Okay, well, sir, this court's going to order that you be fingerprinted. I can't do anything until you're fingerprinted.
So why is we even in court?
I'm sorry?
Why are we even in court? You don't even know who you're talking to right now. Why are
Sir?
we in court if you don't know who you're talking to right now? I don't want to get fingerprinted. But if you want to cut my thumbs off, to fingerprint me, to book me in, so I can be in the system, so the community can get paid for housing and feed me and shit like that. That's why y'all want to fingerprint me.
You are in court.
Personal bond?
You need to check your language. You're not getting a personal bond until I can confirm that you're not a danger to society. So, and that you
I
also.
was a danger to society last time. You couldn't confirm it then, but you still reacted on it though, didn't you? You told me you was not letting me out of jail because I was a danger to society. And you locked me up. So now you can't confirm it. Come on, man. It don't make sense to me. None of this shit makes sense to me.
You're hearing what you want to
None
hear.
of this shit. I'm not no idiot, no fool, no dummy. You talking to one of the smartest guys you'll probably ever meet in your life. I swear to God. I just do dumb ass shit. I'm a dummy. For even crossing the street around, I know this fucking white boy is gonna lock me up. Cause
Okay.
they're riding past waiting on me to cross the street.
Mr. Hearn, stop talking. Please stop
I don't
talking.
got nothing else to say.
Good, you're gonna go get
You standing
fingerprinted.
right here for no reason. They're gonna come up and cut my thumbs off with their fingerprint. So y'all can find who I can so I get paid. The community get paid. Well, you got being in jail right now.
The arraignment proceedings.
This is how I'm talking about. got no chill, no none of that shit. I don't got no y'all. I just fucking whatever, felony and all this shit y'all be telling me like I'm a fucking idiot. They about to put me in a restrictor, they gonna rough me up. I got slammed on my face last night. Even if I did commit a crime, they doing this shit out of evilness. You slamming me on my face and shit, bro. For nothing. How the fuck you think I'm supposed to feel?
County jail.
Y'all don't hear that? That ain't matter to y'all.
Drugs and prescribed.
Shit, aggressive tactics against me.
You are to fingerprinting.
I don't want to listen to her, bro. I want to go to jail for 30 years, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't want to listen to nobody, man. Usually I be trying to talk to get up out of it. I don't give a fuck, man. I don't no more, bro. Cause this shit is petty as hell. It's fucking irritating me, and it's coming in between my mental peace and the state that I be in. When y'all fucking with me, bro, and taking my freedom and throwing me in jail with a grin and a smile on y'all face, like playing my life on my freedom is fucking funny, bro. And it's not, bro. This is not funny, bro. It's not, bro. Like you laughing. This shit funny, bro. This shit not funny, man. What's y'all kids, man? How would you feel?
Mr. Hearn.
No, there ain't no kids gonna kill y'all, nigga. Y'all, if you say you don't got $5 for them,
We're done. You have to submit to fingerprinting, sir. You also have to return to Walgreens. You're to have a GPS tether upon release, not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs unless prescribed. And it's a $5,000 10% bond on each matter. You must submit to fingerprinting, sir.
fuck Walgreens, and I'm not.
Sir, you are.
I don't want no GPS set on my leg. Give me my time. I'm not putting no GPS set on my leg. So all right, this is it. This is it.
We're all set.
I'm not accepting no GPS set. I'm not guilty of nothing.
He's done with this. He's done with this arraignment. He can be removed. Thank you.
All right. Yeah.
You gotta get your fingerprints from, right?
Your Honor,
Yes, off the record.
if Ms. Medina is ready, I can bring out someone else.
Yes, she's here. Do you have any?
Honor, P number 77211, on behalf of Mr. Hill. Mr. Hill, please stand up, just remain silent, and let's get through this arraignment, okay? We would waive formal reading and stand mute, Your Honor, as to the arraignment. And Mr. Hill, please state your full name for the record, please.
Bradley Lee Hill.
All right, thank you. And so the court will waive the formal reading, enter a plea of not guilty for purposes of the arraignment, and we'll schedule this matter for pretrial August 7th
9:45.
at 9:45 a.m. And on your 2313488 matter, this court is going. Let's see, we're going to recall the warrant. And we'll set this matter for a pretrial. Again, we'll set that for a pretrial for August 7th at 9:45 a.m. Okay. As to that, counsel.
Your Honor, in speaking of Mr. Hill, as he already indicated to the court, he had failed to appear. I believe it was a pretrial scheduled for April of this year. He indicates that he was trying to gather some relevant information, and indicates that quite honestly, at that time, he was fearful of any resolutions or what may occur, did not feel prepared and was dealing with his mother's care. He indicates that although Mr. Maggio is the caretaker by the state, that he is involved with administering medicines for his mother, who, as indicated earlier, they reside with in River Rouge. He also indicates that he has a 12-year-old son that he is responsible for. With regards to his mom, he indicates that they're regularly replacing colonoscopy bags. He's pending some equipment delivery at this time, Your Honor. He indicates that he is not currently on probation or parole.
Because he doesn't come to court, so we can complete those cases. So, Mr. Hill. Yes, sir.
No, I was just putting my hand up, that's it. Go ahead.
Well, thank you. So you assist Ms. DiMaggio in taking care of the men. How does it
Correct.
you support yourself? How do you support yourself, sir?
That's a very good, that's the main reason why I missed last court date, because I can't support myself currently. I mean, my mom's health has been so bad, she's been in and out of Wyandotte Hospital every other month, for almost a whole month at a time. That takes away from the pay at home, from Angela's pay that she has to the state, as well as keeping me there to have to watch our son while, you know, she runs errands. So I've been in a bad situation, Your Honor.
Sir, your child is 12, correct?
Yeah,
Yes? So.
yes, ma'am.
I'm very unclear as to why you can't work.
My mother's colostomy bag, Angela's not able to do that. I have to do it. She can't change it on her own because of where it's at on her body. She can't see it. So it's very hard for her.
Okay, and how often does that have to be changed, sir?
At least every other day at the very least. Sometimes she has blowouts multiple times a day.
Okay. I'm still not hearing a reason why you can't work.
Because if I would have to leave work like multiple times a day, nobody wants to hire me. I've literally stayed at home. You can look at my phone history. I'm always at home, always.
Then work from home. Why don't you get a job that allows you to work from home? How about that?
You know what? I've been looking into that, Your Honor. I've been looking into that. It's a great idea.
Right, because sir, people work and take care of ailing parents every day.
I'm aware. I'm highly aware of that, Your Honor.
There's no reason that you cannot work, sir. What you stated to this court is not a basis to not be able to work, because you can't even
That's
support
what I'm
yourself.
saying. I'm not trying to say that I don't need to work or that I'm not allowed to work. That's not what I'm saying, Your Honor.
Okay, well, sir, I don't know why you needed to make sure you had money when you, for your pretrial that you failed to appear for.
I missed the last court date, Your Honor. You are correct.
Right, I guess. That's why I read that to you, because it's right here in
And
front
I
of you.
apologize. I apologize.
So if you were to test today, sir, what's in your system?
Nothing at all.
No?
A little bit of money I had, I still have in my pocket. What?
No cocaine?
No, ma'am.
All right, well, based upon your previous failures to appear, the court's going to order on 231348 A and B, where you have 5 charges. Well, actually, part A was.
Yeah, those,
Chair, just let the judge speak, okay?
The court's going to, previously ordered a $15,000 10% bond, we'll continue that bond. And on 241055, the court's going to order a $7,500 10% bond. In the event you post bond, you're not to be released on GPS tethered through Wayne County Jail. You're not to possess or consume any alcohol or drugs that are not prescribed.
yeah, I won't be posting bond.
Okay, well then we can make sure that you're going to be appearing in court.
That's obvious.
What do you say, that's obvious?
I heard zombies, but I know it's not said.
All right, well, sir, who's taking care of your mom right now?
Nobody, obviously.
Well,
I'm here. I mean, what? That makes no sense.
sir, you, Ms. DiMaggio.
Miss DiMaggio's here. You just seen her.
Yes, I sure did.
So how is anybody there?
Excuse me, you and Mr. Maggio are your mom's caretaker, so who did you leave her with when you both left the house together?
Nobody has to leave her for a limited period of time. I had to take Angela up to the hospital. And that's where I was going. I was stopped directly in front of the hospital. I'm the only one with the driver's license and the only one with transportation.
Okay, anything else?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll see you in 2 weeks. Have a good day.
Bye.
All right.